Hi, greetings of the day. This is Professor Ramakrishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Archivosity. Using this YouTube channel, I'm sharing my knowledge in financial accounting with the students like you across the world. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you the different branches of financial accounting or accounting. Since its inception in 1400 by Luca Paciolo, financial accounting or accounting stretched or expanded in such a way that now it has got multiple branches within it. So in this video lecture, I am going to introduce you to few of the important branches of accounting. The area of accountancy or accounting expanded in such a way that now it demands multiple branches to account all the transactions that the business encounter. Why? Because now the world has been expanded in such a way where it has become a global village. Now, in the sense, somebody who is producing a products even in a remote village also is now able to sell his products across the world through information technology, or we can say that with different aggregators or different websites or different sources. And the number of transactions, the volume will also increase it as the population increases, number of people or customers increases. Because of all these things, the accounting transactions increased multifold. So this led to accounting to split into multiple branches. And at the outset, the core or important one is the financial accounting, which is even now with the novice, when it say that any individual who is not aware of accounting, whatever he knows is about a financial accounting. In a sense, in a financial accounting, we record all the transactions, summarize them, classify, then we create a financial statements. We share that financial statements to the external stakeholders and all. So that is your financial accounting. Now, in addition to that, within the organization, internal to the organization, we have a cost accounting. So in case of a cost accounting, this is very helpful in case of manufacturing companies, especially where there's a lot of processes are involved in and different types of products are produced. So this will help organizations or companies to ascertain what exactly how much cost it is going to incur to produce a particular product. And then once a company knows about the producing of product, then it tries to minimize the cost. So cost minimization. Now, in a cost minimization, along with this cost minimization, they also establish a standard cost. Then standard cost, they verify its actual cost. Then using this actual cost, then they try to see that whether there is any variance or not. So the cost accounting itself has become a separate branch with its own advantages, in a sense, and its own set of operations. And next we have is the management accounting. So management accounting helps the management to make decisions related to what you may say is investments and all. So here in the management accounting, we keep on calculating of a budgeting, forecasting. So this budgeting includes your cash budgets, your sales budgets, right? And your purchase budgets or inventory budgets likewise, and even forecasting also. So management accounting helps management to look into these various aspects. And in addition to that, we have a tax accounting, because as now the businesses are having their operations nationally and internationally, so they have come up with the different taxations. Like in India, let's say we have a goods and services tax is there, then you have a income tax which has to be paid, then wealth tax, then you have a customs taxes, customs duties, import duties, export duties, so many tax obligations. In addition to that, now foreign countries also, because as we are doing transactions with the multiple countries, say Indian companies are having operations in US companies are having operations in India and across the world. So there are companies which have operations around 150 countries and more. So in such a scenario, tax accounting has become a separate branch, so that all the tax related issues pertaining to the organizations are handled by the tax accounting or a tax accounting department or tax accounting field separately. Then we have a social accounting, as because now the organizations have become more responsible to the environment, social and governance. So social accounting has become or gaining a momentum in the different countries. And another important is the human resource accounting, because as the number of employees, the headcount is increasing in organizations. So organizations are not now considering the human resources as a capital, not just like we are hiring a people, paying them a salaries. It's not like that, but companies started treating human resources in an organization as a capital, or called as a human capital. In the sense, whatever the knowledge that they acquire, they are trying to assess it, and experience that gained by the employees are calculated, and based on that the valuations are created, how highly valued a company is. For that purpose we have a separate accounting, that is a human resources accounting. And another aspect is important is a national resources accounting. Especially this accounting become importance for the companies which are into infrastructure or exploration of a natural resources, like companies like oil and gas, which explores oil and gas from a gas fields. Then you have a coal mining. Then you have a what you call a companies like which extract limestone for cement manufacturing. Then water resources. So as organizations, that is the companies using a natural resources for what you say is for the development or for the economic development. Now it has become importance to identify how effectively the organizations are or the companies are utilizing the natural resources, or the economies, that is the governments, are utilizing natural resources. So to get accountability or to bring all this into a quantitative aspect, national resources accounting is established. In a sense, whatever the national resources that we use for the, let us say, infrastructure projects, telecommunication, where the government sends its 4G or satellites to the what you mean to say is satellites to sky, then from there the resources are utilized. So to make accounting or to have a track of all these things, we have a natural or a national resource accounting. So these are the different branches. Within that, again, there are multiple branches are there, but these are the some key traditional financial accounting branches, like financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, and tax accounting. So new inventions are social accounting, human resources accounting, and a national resource accounting. These are the newly invented branches into accounting. So there are multiple branches you come across, but knowing them or knowing these important branches will lay a strong foundation for you to understand what is the purpose of each different accounting. So in this course, my major focus is on the financial accounting. For cost accounting, management accounting, and tax accounting, I have different courses, but this course is primarily intended towards the financial accounting and making your students well versed with financial accounting. Thank you. Thank you for watching my lecture.